Hi, in this video, I'll be unboxing and showcasing the Cubenest 30-watt desk charger. Right after opening the box, I was immediately faced with a problem, but I'll talk about that at the end of the video. Let's start with a clean slate. We get a white 20-watt adapter and a matching fabric cable as accessories. There's also a cable tie included. Overall, the quality is perfectly acceptable, although it's a bit too stiff. The included adapter is sufficient for 15-watt charging, but if you want to use all three parts at maximum output at the same time, you'll need a higher powered adapter. The watch charger can be flipped up, and the MagSafe charger is adjustable. And provides a firm hold. I placed all three devices on it. Here are a few close-up shots. If you paid attention, you might have noticed a scratch on the device. This was most likely caused by the loose adapter. I reported the issue to the manufacturer, who sent a replacement unit. That one didn't have the problem. However, it's important to note that the adapter color may vary depending on the product variation. Overall, this product impressed me with its build quality and materials, and I can recommend it.